Hi everyone, it's Chantel the Belle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I deep condition my hair every week. These are the products that I use in my mixture. I use Hellman's olive oil mayo, some peppermint oil, pumpkin seed oil, and homemade rice water. The mayo helps with softening and smoothing my hair. It also helps with shine. The peppermint oil on my scalp feels really tingly and helps promote growth by opening up my hair follicles, and the pumpkin seed oil helps to prevent shedding. The rice water I make about a week in advance, and I just have some rice sitting in some water and I leave it overnight, and then I strain out the rice and have the liquid that's left over in my rice water. I mix about 1/4 cup of mayo and 1 tablespoon of each oil, and I just mix it until it's kind of smooth. It doesn't exactly get all the way smooth. I don't know if that's a word. It doesn't get all the way smooth, but I just try to mix it until I have somewhat of a smooth consistency. That's kind of like a runny conditioner, if I had to describe the texture. So here I am just mixing everything up, and you don't need anything fancy, just a plastic bowl and a spoon or a fork or whatever you prefer to mix with, and then I just use that to coat my hair with. Before coating my hair in the deep conditioner, I like to saturate my hair with the rice water to help break up any product that's left on my hair from the week. Also, the rice water is great for growth. I cut my hair last year, which was a big mistake, and my hair is finally growing back, and my texture and my curl pattern looks and feel a little different this time around, but so far my hair is growing back healthy and strong. Once you've completely saturated your hair with the rice water, you want to massage conditioner into your hair. So I focus on my edges and my scalp, and I make sure I get each of my strands coated in the mixture, but I try to focus primarily on my scalp and my edges. This is my go-to deep conditioner. It's affordable, and it can be made with the products that you most likely have in your pantry. You can use olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. Any oil really that you may have on hand will work just fine. And after I do this every week. After I do this, my hair usually feels very soft and super moisturized. So this has been my go-to deep conditioner for a while now. And after I get that all mixed in, I like to put a plastic cap over my hair. I used to have like this bundle of shower caps, but I can't find it. So whenever you can't find the shower cap, a plastic shopping bag usually works very well as a secondary option. So here I'm just puffing out all the air because I'm going to be sitting under my dryer, and I want to make sure it fits. So here is my dryer, and it's a convenient little dryer. I just sit under it for about 30 minutes, and once I get out, I just use the heat from my hair in the bag, and I just continue to massage the oils into my scalp so that I can get that real deep conditioning going on. And then this is what my hair usually looks like when I'm done, and it's ready for me to jump in the shower and wash it out. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next week. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.